In this course, we're going to cook 2 eggs over easy, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to crack eggs with one hand. First, I want to just talk a second about heat. This is a professional gas stove, and it really cranks out the BTUs. What we're going to do is we don't need that much heat. So we're going to start about medium-high heat right here, and that's it. You can adjust it with your electric home stove also. You just want to, on that stove, I would start it high and then just reduce it down as soon as you start getting the eggs in the pan. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn our heat on. We're going to go ahead and give it a 1/4 second spray, and then I'm going to show you how to hold it. You're going to hold it basically like this. You're going to hit the edge, and you're going to kind of split it open gently. Do it again. Just kind of break it and break it just like that. A lot of times eggs, they break, so if you break it, go ahead and start over. There's nothing worse than having 2 eggs split and they look like they're cooked differently. You want it all in the same. You notice how the egg white starts cooking around the edges. It'll always cook around the edges first. You don't want to touch the pan. You want to let it just get hot. It'll start getting there. It starts cooking around the edges. And you don't really want to move it until the whites are pretty much starting to cook around the edges. So you can kind of see it there. Then you'll be able to tell if it sticks or not. That's why you have your spatula at hand. Once they get to a certain point, as you can see the whites are coming around, you can roll your pan. If the eggs are off center, you want to try and get them, you're going to eventually get them up this way. So that's basically it. They're rolling right now. See how they're moving back and forth? That's good. And they're starting to firm up. So this is about perfect timing right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a flip, and this is where the pan trick comes in. You're just going to kind of roll it and flop it over. You notice that little tuck I did? That comes with experience, but there's a little back tuck, and you'll see it after a while. You want to let them set for probably about a good 6-7 count. Notice they're not sticking. If you do this and it's sticking, then it's good. Flip it back up, and there you go.